Pete the Cat's Happy Halloween by Kimberly and James Dean. Happy Halloween! It's time for the trick-or-treat carnival. Pete is a groovy mummy. He can't wait to see his friends. Pete finds Callie at the wacky candy fountain. Callie is an awesome astronaut. Ready to blast off? Callie asks. Roger that, says Pete. Pete finds Alligator at the creepy corn maze. Alligator is a spooky skeleton. I hope we get a lot of candy, says Alligator. Me too, Pete replies. Pete finds Emma at the spooky haunted house. Emma is a not-so-scary witch. Check out my broom, Emma says. Wicked, says Pete. Pete finds Squirrel at the pumpkin carving contest. Squirrel is a mighty wizard. Abracadabra, Squirrel yells. Nice, says Pete. Pete finds Gus on the bouncy hayride. Gus is a silly ghost. Boo! Gus shouts. Spooktacular, Pete says. Pete finds Grumpy Toad near the start of the parade. Grumpy Toad is a creepy spider. Look at my 8 legs. I made them myself, Grumpy Toad says. Perfect for trick-or-treating, Pete replies. Pete spots Marty in the crowd dressed as a pumpkin. Come on! It's time for the Halloween parade, Marty says. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to You Read It to Me, and comment below for any books you'd like me to read next.